Dear students, in the last video we studied the example number 1.8. Now we are going to see that example number 1.9. See, in that example the two charge particles are given. The magnitude of the first charge QA, charge on first particle, that is A, QA equal to 2.5 10 to the power minus 7, and charge on the second, that is QB equal to minus of 2.5 10 to the power minus 7, and these two charge particles are separated by this distance, right? So the A is located at a minus 15 centimeter on the Z axis, and B is located at the plus 15 centimeter at the on the Z axis. See, we can draw the Z axis over here, students. See, this is the Z axis. Suppose this is the Z axis, positive Z axis, negative Z axis. This is the O at 15. B point is at a plus 15. Suppose this is a 15, right? So this is the B point. It is at a 15 centimeter, right, from the origin. And A point is at a minus 15 centimeter. Suppose this is the minus 15 centimeter, right? This is the minus 15 centimeter. This is the A point. So from this we can say that this is the plus 15, the minus 15. It is the QA charge. It is the QB charge. From this we can say that what is the separation between the QA and QB. So separation, we can say separation, distance between A and B, that is equal to a 30 centimeter. Distance between the A and B is 30 centimeter. That we can say that. Separation denoted by letter suppose 2A, and that 2A equal to 0.30. It is in meter. Centimeter, here it is in meter. So separation 2A, and that is equal to 0.30 meter. The first question, find the total charge. For the total charge, what we can do? Total charge. Suppose total charge denoted by letter capital Q, that is QA plus QB. What is QA? That is 2.5 10 to the power minus 7. What is QB? So QB equal to minus of 2.5 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 7. So you can take the minus 7 common, minus 7 outside, 2.5 minus 2.5, it becomes 0. So total charge 0 coulomb. 0 coulomb. That we can write. This is the first question. Now we are going to see the second question. See, what is the electric dipole? P equal to question mark. So to calculate P, electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment denoted by letter P, and the formula for P equal to 2A into Q. What is the separation? We calculated the separation. 2A equal to 0.30. What is the Q? That we know that 2.5 10 to the power minus 7. So multiplying this, you can get answer equal to, suppose this is 7.5, right? It will be near about 10 to the power minus 7. Let me see the answer. That is 7 point something, 7.5 will be the answer. 7.5 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb meter will be your answer. So here is the end of this numerical, right? So you can see, this is the board number 1, this is the board number 1, and this is the board number 2. You just take the screenshot and we'll move towards the next question, please. Okay students, for the next question, example number 1.10, I am erasing the board. Up to that, you just read the question, try to write the given things and think which formula we can apply for the example number 1.10. See exercise example 1.10. What is given? An electric dipole moment. So dipole moment P equal to, that is P equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 9. 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb meter is aligned at an angle of 30 degree. So angle is equal to 30 degree with the direction uniform electric field of a magnitude. So electric field E equal to given, that is 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per Coulomb. Right? So calculate the torque acting on the dipole. Torque equal to question mark. So this is your question. Right? This is a torque. Torque, it is electric field. Angle, right? Torque equal to question mark. So required formula, it's very simple question. Required formula for the torque equal to R cross F, we can write R vector cross F vector, right? Torque is a vector quantity, so torque equal to what we can write? So torque equal to R F, sorry. Torque equal to, this is the formula for standard 11, but here the torque equal to P vector cross E vector. P vector cross E vector. It is a vector quantity. So torque T equal to, we can write P E sin theta. Right? This is the torque. Torque equal to P sin theta, we can write. What is P? Dipole moment. What is E? Electric field. What is theta? Theta is 30 degree. All the values are given. You just put the value 4 into 10 to the power minus 9. E equal to, we can write 5 into 10 to the power 4, and theta sin 30. Sin 30 equal to, we can write 0.5. Half we can write, because theta equal to sin 30 equal to 30 degree. So you can calculate the value of torque. It 5 4s are 20, right? All the things you can do, and finally you can write answer near about, that is 10 to the power minus 4 Newton meter. This is your torque. Now we will see the example number 1.11, right? I think example number 1.11 we have studied in the previous videos. I think second or third video we already studied. So we are going to see the next example, that is example number 1.12, right? See the example number 1.12. What is given in that? Example number 1.12, the two insulated charged copper sphere A and B have their centers separated by distance 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter is the distance between the two spheres, A sphere and B sphere. They are separated by distance 50 centimeter, right? What is the mutual force of electrostatic repulsion if the charge on each is equal to 6.5 10 to the power minus 7 Coulomb. Charge on second is also 6.5 10 to the power minus 7 Coulomb, right? So calculate the force of repulsion. Force equal to question mark, that is your question. and the radius of A and B are negligible as compared to the distance of separation, right? The charge on both sphere is same. Charge on A is 6.5, charge on B is also 6.5. So calculate the force. It's a very simple question. Already we have calculated, right? So F equal to required formula we can write. Required formula F, repulsive force F equal to K Q divided by R square. Q is the charge on first sphere we can write, Q is the charge on the second sphere we can write, Q1, Q2 we can write, but both the charges are same, that's why we write K, Q into Q, that we can write. So 9 10 to the power 9 multiplied by, for this 6.5, 10 to the power minus 7. For the second is also 6.5, 10 to the power minus 7. So we will take the square divided by R square means 50. 50 into 10 to the power minus 2 bracket square. It is in centimeter, so we have converted into the meter. So by doing this, by making the calculation, you can get the answer, that is F equal to 1.5 10 to the power minus 2. 1.5 10 to the power minus 2 Newton is your answer. Here you can say that the first charge Q1 is plus, second one is also plus, so the force is a repulsive force, right? They will repel each other. A will repel B and B will repel A. The repulsive force will present between the two charges. So here is the first part of the example 1.12. Now we will see the second part of the example number 12. Second part, B part of the example 1.12. See what is given, what is the question. What is the force of repulsion if each sphere is charged double and the distance between them is half? What is the new force? See what we have. Suppose we are having the sphere A and sphere B, right? Charge on sphere is Q equal to 6.5, that we have studied, 10 to the power minus 7 coulomb. That is Q equal to also 6.5 10 to the power minus 7, that we have studied. The separation between them is half, means the R becomes R by 2. R becomes R by 2. The new charges, new charge on A, that is suppose QA dash. Similar new charge on B, that will be a QB dash. Right? What is QA? So QA dash equal to what? 2 times the QA. 2 times the Q we can also write. 2 times the Q. Right? It is the Q only. New charge suppose Q only. New charge is Q dash. Right? And in the second case, the charge becomes double. So Q dash is the new charge, and what is the magnitude of Q dash? That is 2 times the previous. Right? So Q dash equal to what? 2 times the Q. And what is the separation? Separation. New separation is R dash. And R dash equal to what? R by 2. Half of the first one. Right? Half of the R. That is the. So new values are 2Q and R by 2 is the separation. Means charge on the first sphere is 2 times the first one. Charge on the second sphere is also doubles. Right? Charge becomes double. Distance becomes half. What is the new force? This is the question. So we are writing new force F dash equal to K Q dash divided by R dash square. New separation R dash. Right? K remains as it is. What is the value of Q dash? It becomes double. So we will write 2Q. Q dash also becomes double. So we will write 2Q divided by. Distance becomes half. So you just write down R by 2 bracket square. So F dash equal to what? 2 multiplied by 2 becomes 4. So 4 into Q divided by R square divided by 4. So this 4 will multiply over here and the answer becomes 16 Q divided by r square, and we already calculated this kqq by r square, that is 16 multiplied by this. We have already calculated the value is, that is near about 1.5 that we have calculated. See, 1.5 10 to the power, what is that value? 10 to the power minus 2. By multiplying this, you can write your final answer, that is over here f dash equal to, your final answer is 0.2434 Newton. F dash equal to 0.2434 Newton is your final answer, right? After multiplying by 16 multiplied by 1.5, you will get this answer. So F dash new force will be 0.2434 Newton. Here also the force will be a repulsive one, right? So here also we can, the multiplication of this is written over here, right students? So F equal to, this is your answer. Okay, so you just take the screenshot of this, 10 to the power minus 2, 16.5, 10 to the power minus 2, right? You just take the screenshot. This is the first board, second board and third board. Part example number 1.12, first part. Here is the second part. See. Dear students, before going to the next example, you just make the correction over here. It is r square, r square, r square. So it is r square, right? R square. Please make the correction. Now we are going to see the next example, that is example number 1.13, right? Example, exercise, example 1.13. See, suppose the spheres A and B in the exercise 1.12 have identical sizes. The third sphere of the same size but uncharged is brought in contact with the first, then brought in contact with the second, finally removed from both. What is the force of repulsion? See students, what is given? This is the sphere A, this is the sphere B, right? They are separated by some distance, suppose R. The charge on first sphere, suppose Q, and charge on second sphere is also Q. Both spheres having the same charge. They are charged, having charge Q and having charge Q. Now we are having the third sphere C, and this sphere is charge-less sphere. First we have to bring the C sphere in contact with A and separate. This is the first case. Now second case, bring this sphere C in contact with B and separate. So by doing this, the charged, newly developed charge on sphere A and B, then what is the force between A and B? Find out the repulsive force between the two spheres. So this is the question 1.13. I want to give this example for the homework. You just try, and in the next video we will try to solve this question, right? You try at your home, right? So in the next video we will solve this example. Okay, thank you.